My name is Ben Brown.
My name is Sebastian.
My employer is Avon Fire and Rescue Service.
I'm a vehicle technician for Avon Fire and Rescue Service in Avon.
The training course we've just done is the Electric Vehicle Hybrid Level 3 course.
The course that I've just completed is Electrical Vehicle Hybrid Level 3.
Yeah, the course was fantastic. Really thorough, really detailed, and I feel like we learned a lot.
In-depth, good understanding into electrical vehicle systems, procedures to sort of put in place to ensure safety in work.
Yeah, facilities were great, second to none really, really clean, really well presented, and it's been a really good course all in.
Facilities were exceptional, very clean, great course notes, great trainer, yeah, and a very nice group of guys.